guys, here I am in Walmart and I thought I'd walk through their jewelry. So let's take a look, guys. So if we start over here, these are really interesting. They're really fun looking. These are really pretty. And here they are in the black. And I'm loving the hoops. Okay, so these are really fun looking. Then they have these dangle ones. Those are really pretty. And here they are in the pink. Here they are in the green. Very nice. So this whole assortment down here, you have the bangles down here. These are bangles. These are the clear, the orange, the pink, and those white ones over there are really cute. And then they have these that go around the wrist. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I like that. And I can't get up that high, but they're $2.88, and I'm loving these. Aren't they nice, guys? So then you have your hoops, and those are also $2.88, and those are really pretty. These are nice. I'm liking these. These are different. Okay, and then you have those. So if we come down a little lower, these are in rose gold. Isn't that pretty, guys? I like that. Then you have this kind right here. So those are pretty. And then you have these. And here's some more of those hoops. I like the hoops, but those are probably a little bit too big. But they're beautiful nonetheless. So then these are nice. And then you have your multi-packs right here for $4.88. And then these are nice because that's rose gold, silver, and regular gold. Then you have 3 hoops here, 3 different sizes for the same price. And then if you come over here, at least you have a different design, one of the hoops. So you have this design, the plain, and then the your basic one. That's really pretty. And these are nice too. They're very pretty. So then you have the studs. Aren't they gorgeous? These are gorgeous. For that $4.88, and then you have these assortments here. So down, if you go lower, you get more. So it's more of a multi-pack. So they go from small, medium, and then slightly larger in different shapes. So you get more variety there. Then if you come down lower, look at this, guys. That's beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. So you get 4 pair of earrings. Very nice, and these are $6.88. And look at all the earrings you get in this pack. Wow, that's gorgeous. Look at that. This is nice. This is all in rose gold. And then this one here has 2 earrings in the navy blue. And these are your post earrings. And they come in different kinds. These here are really pretty. So then you have these, and then you have these dangle ones here. These are very pretty too. And these. Look at these, guys. These are so different. Aren't they gorgeous? And these are so beautiful too. I love that. And this one. They really do have a beautiful assortment of earrings. Look at these dangle ones. And here's a different kind. And these are unusual. Then they come in black. And these, and look at these. Aren't these gorgeous, guys? These are rose gold, and here they are, and they look like feathers. And then they have this kind. Very nice. Look at these. Wow. I love those. And these are nice too. $2.88. Look how fancy. And these drop earrings are so pretty too. So here you have the studs, guys. And you have quite a bit of them in each pack, all different kinds. See, I'm hoping you like these, guys. It really is very reasonable. Then you have these. Look at this one, it looks so dainty. I love that. Then you have that one, and here it is again. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? And there's a turquoise. Then you have the pearl necklace. These are and I think one is bracelet. I'm not sure. And then look at this one. That's pretty. This one is nice with that white cord. I'm liking that. And then you have your bangles. And there's your rose gold, and here's your regular gold. And there's your silver. And look at this. $5.88. So then you come down. Now the necklaces are $4.88. And then some of them are really long. Look at that one. Wow, that's beautiful. And then these are the pearls. So definitely the accessories are really pretty in, in the jewelry section here. Aren't they beautiful? These over here say love. $3.88. And then look at these guys. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at this one. Wow. And I'm loving these. And then those, look how nice, the rainbow earrings, and those are the drop earrings. And then here you have the multi-packs, which I think is absolutely, it's a great price. So if you get 6 earrings, you're basic $5.88, you're paying less than $1 each. So that's very reasonable. Look how pretty that is. Those are the heart loops and the regular loops, the drop earrings, and the post. These say love right here. That's very nice. And I believe these are anklets, and they're $5.88 also. And then on the bottom you have the barrettes. Look at that one that says boss. Then you have those hair clips. This one says glam. You know I'm liking this one. Oh yeah. These are nice too. And that one over there says sweet, and some more necklaces here. I guess this is clearance. This is all St. Patty's Day clearance stuff for 25 cents, guys. Do you see this? That's an awesome price for next year. So you have these. Let me show you. I think that's a light up necklace, and then you have this St. Patty's Day jewelry. All of this stuff is 25 cents. You gotta run on over to your nearest Walmart. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Look at that. Those drop earrings are really nice. Very, very beautiful. Look at these. I'm liking this. And then these. Look at this. Very, very nice. So these down here are $7.92, and these bracelets here are $6.92. Then your earrings are $4.92. Okay, then you have your initials, Time and True, $6.92. And then you have the initial bags. Look at this. I like this. Oh my goodness. Isn't that? Oh my God, that's so glam. $6.92. Here it is in the beige. And then they have the gray. And then they have the blue, guys. Totally awesome, guys. I just think it's totally beautiful. So guys, I hope you're having an awesome day. I thank you for coming with me and scrolling through the accessory jewelry area of your Walmart, and I'll see you guys in another video.